Hello trader, welcome back to Deep Pockets Forex. This is our first Wednesday video, and this video is based on helping you getting better entries in the Forex market. This Wednesday videos will be aimed at different purposes, helping you attend to different factors of your trading. As you can see, this week will be helping you getting better entries. Now these videos won't take long. These are just short videos that will be sharing with you tips on how to improve your trading and tips on how to work around your psychology. This is the sole purpose of this Wednesday videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now the one tip that can be shared on helping you getting better entries in the Forex market, the one tip is confluence trading. When you use confluence trading, you can have a checklist where you say, okay, for me to be able to get an entry, I'm looking at Euro GBP right now, and if I'm looking at Euro GBP, I should wait for the 4-hour bar to close. And then if you check that has the 4-hour bar closed, then you see, okay, it has closed. And then you say, I need to have this number of wave counts for me to be able to think of any entry. I need to be able to have this number of wave counts to know that this market is about to move in this direction. Then you say, okay, you checked that. Then you say that I have this candlestick. I'm seeing the formation of this kind of a candlestick. So if I see this kind of a candlestick, it means something in my own interpretation. Then you see that. Then you have another option. I'm seeing this and this and this. Then if you checked that in your checklist, then you're able to say that, okay, I have a series of options here that I checked in order to increase my odds for me to be able to get a better entry. Now practicing this confluence trading, it will give you or help you increase your odds in trading. Whenever you're getting an entry, it would help you increase your odds in getting good entries. So with this said, confluence trading can be used in simple terms, just as I've explained to you, and you can take it to another level where you are able to say, okay, I know that strategy, I know this strategy, and I know the strategy, and you're able to say that this strategy helps me to spot manipulation. So after manipulation has taken place, I'll know that it's now time to look for an entry. And then this strategy will tell you another thing, this strategy will tell you another thing. When you combine all those techniques adopted from different strategies, you're able to say, okay, now I'm able to get this good entry because I have my checkpoints, my checklist checked. And then now you're able to get an entry based on your system. With that said, you're also able to say, I'll be having my checklist. Before I get an entry, I need to see all this so that I can move forward, so that I can open that trade. I'm able to check all this. Then you can do this over and over. You can do this repeatedly. That way, when you do this repeatedly, it increases your odds of making it in trading, unlike when you just spot your entry based on some random techniques, just random, anything you get. You are able to see that I have my checklist here and I will check this before I look for an entry. That way, you are able to achieve that consistency and you are able to respect your system even more.